Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review of the Anker. This is a Series 6 power bank. Anker, definitely one of the best power bank makers on the market by far. And this is what you get inside. It comes with the, oh, one second, sorry. That comes with it. There's questions, and then you get your charger and the actual power bank. Now, this is actually a magnetic power bank. Not a lot of people know that this actually charges my Samsung. I can't show you because I'm recording with it, but this just sticks onto the back of my Samsung with a magnetic feature here and charges my phone while I'm on the go. So I can put it in my pocket with this on and it'll charge. Also, you can actually charge your AirPods with this. You just put them inside the case, sit them on this, and this will charge. Same with the iPhone. I think it's 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 all do the same, compatible with this. But it also comes with a USB-C feature. Now this is a powerhouse. This is a 10,000 mega amp hour power bank. Let me bring this a bit closer for you. Oh. So we can also see how much charge is on this. Just press the button, look, this is fully charged. And then you've got a USB-C connector, which you just connect your USB-C to your phone or whatever you want to charge, and it will charge like that. But for me, the best feature is, yes, definitely the magnetic feature part of it. But yeah, that's the Anker power bank, guys. Absolute powerhouse, 10,000 mega amp hours, one of the best makers on the market. And I'll see you on the next one. My name's David, and I'll see you again.